Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies, and we're going to show you our stainless steel travel mug.
Stay tuned. And we're back. So today in this video, we are going to be working with our stainless steel travel mug. It does come with a lid. We also have a white finish as well as a silver finish. So let's get started.
All right, we printed using Creative Studios and our Sawgrass printer. Okay, we printed this on an 8.5 by 11, but you could also use the mug size paper if you would prefer. And I'm just going to trim around the image here. All right, and remove the lid before pressing. And then center your picture. And then we'll use the thermal tape just to hold it into place. And try not to place the thermal tape over your image because it can cause some discoloration in your transfer. And then we are going to be pressing at 320 degrees for 180 seconds. Okay, you're going to want to remove this transfer immediately.
We also have the thermal gloves as well. This does have a handle, so it's a little bit easier, but always use protection.
And there you go.
You now have one personalized travel mug. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Don't forget to check out our product instructions available online at coastalbusiness.com, and we'll see you next time.